Hey friends, I'm Michaela and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to review this Onli Travel Penta bag because we took it on several trips and we got a lot of value out of it. So this bag comes in this pouch. It's a very lightweight and you can throw it in your bag. It also has a hook so then you can hook it on the outside of your backpack. When you open it up, okay, it has three components. It has this little pouch. Then it has this other pouch. And then it has the main component, the main bag. So basically, that little pouch that I showed you really fits into this outside pocket right in here. And that becomes an external pocket if you're using the bag. All right, so this is the full bag when you have the two components zippered on each side. Now for this one, this does come off. So if you're not in use, you can just take this off like this. A little harder to do. But this then can be strapped back if you're using this part as a belt bag or a purse. So I actually did use this whole bag when we were traveling to Sardinia because I use these belt bags or shoulder bags as a storage for my kids' socks and underwear, and I could divide socks and underwear for one kid and socks and underwear for the other kid, or you can have snacks in that area. So for example, if your child is hungry on the plane, you can easily get the snacks because it is well organized. The other reason I like this organization because like if you have younger kids, you can put diapers in here. You can also put any kind of creams, like diapers in here, maybe a cream in here. So when you need to change your child, you don't have to drag this whole bag with you. You can just unzip this part of it. So I do like it, everything zipped together. Now on our most recent trip to Dallas, I used it as my purse, so you can unzip it like so, super easy. And you can just use this one as a shoulder bag because this strap hooks to it, okay? And this part has a compartment right in here and then a major compartment in the middle with this elastic band. So I liked it, it was lightweight. And then it has the second part of it. And this is the belt bag because in the back it has these straps that you can then strap to your back, to your belt, like this. This part does not have the outside compartment, but it has one main one, like this one. And it does have that stretchy part as well. Both of these also have a key leash, where it is, right here, key leash thing too. You can actually put these bags together for one big bag. And when we traveled to Dallas, I used the two of them zippered together as my purse. And then when we were in Dallas, I just separated them and used one or the other, depending on whenever I felt like using one or the other. And then I use this part, the main part, as my carry-on item. Actually, it fits under the seat in front of you, so this can go well as a personal item. And what I like about it is that it's extremely durable, but it is very lightweight, which means for me is that I can fit a lot of our kids' stuff, like clothes, a lot of the cubes where I pack their kids, like changes of clothes in here without the extra bulk and the extra weight. It has on the other side, it has that external part where the bag goes into out here. On the other side, it has this part, this strap that actually can go on the handle of a carry-on bag so that you can put it on top of your carry-on bag and you have extra, you can hold it extra in place. So I really liked it because it's lightweight, it's very spacious. I believe it's 27 liters, but it honestly fits a lot of stuff. The only thing I did not like about this bag is that, so you can basically carry it, hold on, like a backpack. It has these straps like these that you can put on as a bag. So I like this, and I used it in Sardinia quite a bit. Or you can just use it like this as a strap, or you can change where where you can put these. You can put them in the middle, or you can thread them in here. Actually, if you thread them in here like this, you can carry them like this. So it has like a nice handle. So my feedback to the developers is that this hook comes off easily off of here. So I constantly had to put it back on. It would come off easily. That's the only frustrating part. Otherwise, I love this bag. And surprisingly, even though the straps are not padded, the weight was very well distributed. And as an osteopathic physician who really treats a lot of back pains and really care about the ergonomics, I have to say that my back did not hurt. And it was very lightweight, and it didn't bother me at all. The other thing I want to say that when we went to Sardinia, I had both of these attached, both of these parts like this, and carried the backpack on my shoulders with both of those attached. And what I liked about it is that the weight was distributed vertically, not horizontally. And so when you are at these like stores at the airport, you're not bumping into things, but your stuff is pretty close to your body. And I liked it. Like, it was easier to carry being in a vertical position. So maybe because of that weight distribution, carrying this was easier than I thought it was going to be. So overall, I really like the Onli Travel Penta bag. The colors could be prettier and girlier, but it is, I guess, gender neutral, and it's very practical. I highly recommend it, especially if you are mostly carry-on only traveler, as this is helpful if you're going to Europe. If you need to have more compact and lightweight bags, this bag allows you to carry a lot of stuff with a lot of the bulk and heavy weight. So if you find this video helpful, or if you have any questions about the Onli Travel bag, the Penta bag, or the other bags that I reviewed before, leave me a comment below. If you are interested in me doing other reviews, I'm happy to do that as well. Alrighty, thank you for watching.